The process begins here at the loading dock, where our technician ensures the quality of every incoming shipment of fresh raspberries.
Our precise macro lens reveals the intricate hexagonal geometry of the raspberry at a cellular level. Here in the sorting stage, a precise stream of air removes light debris, ensuring only the finest berries move forward. Here in the washing area, the raspberries undergo a second rinse, ensuring maximum cleanliness before moving on to extraction. The raspberries are spread evenly on a vibrating mesh belt, allowing water to drain. This ensures only Here we see the optical sorter in action. Jets of compressed air precisely remove any defective berries before they move on to processing.
Here at the processing line, every raspberry is meticulously inspected by hand to ensure only the highest quality fruit makes it into our syrup.
Utilizing advanced cleated belts, the berries are efficiently transported, ensuring quality control from the very start.
The first step is transferring the fresh raspberry pulp into these large, sterile holding tanks for processing. The motorized agitator begins the mixing process, creating this deep vortex to ensure perfect consistency and flavor.
The automated system monitors the precise temperature required for the raspberry infusion, ensuring optimal flavor extraction. Here we see the vibrant raspberry pulp flowing from the tank, the steam indicating the precise temperature required for sterilization.
Here the fresh raspberries are fed into the industrial press, separating the juice from the pulp.
The screw conveyor ensures a continuous, precise flow of the pressed fruit solids toward the next stage of the process. The evaporator efficiently removes excess water, resulting in this highly concentrated, viscous raspberry pulp.
This fine mesh filter removes the seeds and pulp, ensuring a smooth, high-quality syrup. Here we see the vibrant raspberry juice flowing through the plate heat exchanger, ensuring precise temperature control.
The deep red raspberry juice, now fully pasteurized, is carefully pumped into the gleaming stainless steel tanks.
Here, the freshly prepared raspberry concentrate is poured into our sterile, high-tech mixing tanks, ready for the next phase of production.
The thick, vibrant syrup is carefully poured into the stainless steel funnel, ready for the next stage of processing.
The purification process removes impurities, transforming the syrup into a vibrant ruby red.
The automated dosing pump injects a precise measure of the raspberry concentrate, ensuring a
The clear ingredient is introduced into the vortex, where the high-speed agitator ensures a precise and homogeneous blend with the raspberry base. The high-speed agitator creates a vortel, guaranteeing the precise consistency of the raspberry syrup. The sensors confirm the precise target temperature has been reached, ensuring optimal flavor extraction.
Here in the bottling room, the syrup is precisely measured and filled into sterilized glass bottles by our automated system.
The high-speed bottling process ensures precise filling of every container. The fresh raspberry syrup is carefully transferred through sterile pipes to the automated bottling line.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes high-pressure steam to sterilize every bottle, ensuring the purity of our raspberry syrup.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every bottle of raspberry syrup is filled with utmost efficiency and sterility.
After capping, the raspberry syrup bottles enter the cooling tunnel to stabilize the temperature for packaging.
The system confirms the ideal temperature range has been achieved for pasteurization.
The cooled raspberry syrup bottles are now entering the drying stage, where powerful air jets remove condensation before labeling. The bottling line operates with remarkable precision. Here, the dry glass bottles receive their
In the next phase, the robotic palletizing station organizes the syrup bottles into crates for shipment.
Using advanced suction technology, the robotic arm precisely transfers the finished syrup from the conveyor to the pallet.
After the wrapping cycle is complete, the industrial robot transfers the pallet to the next stage of distribution.
In the automated warehouse, the AGV precisely lifts the raspberry syrup crates, demonstrating the efficiency of our high-tech logistics.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every bottle of raspberry syrup is tracked precisely from production to delivery.